Hello everyone, this is Aman Nawaz from Anstech and today I'll be talking about installing Cyanogen Mode 14 based on Android 7.0 in Xiaomi Redmi 1S. Actually I'm having the device in one of my friends. I'll be installing here. Also you will get an tutorial about it and make sure you have downloaded. All files are given below on the description box. Phone is Xiaomi Redmi 1S. So basically what you will need to install Cyanogen Mode 14 on your phone, on your Xiaomi Redmi 1S, you will need proper battery, you will need the custom recovery like TWRP fails or CWM, it doesn't matter whether you, but it matters that you must have a custom recovery and have some patience and some data to watch the YouTube video. So you guys are watching and said, come on, let's do it. As I told you, I'm going to install Android 7.0 on this device. Actually, let me tell you what's the device configuration. I'm going to setting, and as you can see, I'm on the Carbon ROM KK unofficial. Yeah, wait, let me show you. Yeah, it's based on KitKat. Yeah, device is HM1SW. Yeah, the device is Redmi 1S, and I'm going to install Android 7.0 Nougat. So what you have to do is make sure you have enabled developer option. I haven't turned it on. Oh no, I have turned it on already. Yeah, this one is uses the debugging notify. Okay, and then download all the files where I have given already on the links are on the description box below. Okay, what to download is you have to download these files. Yeah, this one and this one, CM14 unofficial Harmony and the open gaps. Okay, these two files you need to flash on the TWRP. Make sure you are on the custom recovery because on the MI recovery mode you can't flash any custom ROM and anything. So I'm going to power off the phone. Power off. Okay, wait, let it shut down. Turned off properly, and I'm going to press is volume up and the power button simultaneously for the couple of seconds to enter the recovery mode. Yeah, make sure you are on the custom recovery. I have already told you that I am on the TWRP custom recovery. Yeah, team win recovery. So yeah, let me tell you, make sure you are on the proper battery because if you are having 10 to 20%, if the phone goes shut down during the installing of ROM, it may break your device. I mean boot loop, nothing will be happen so badly like a hard break or something else. So currently I'm going to back up my device because if something went wrong, if something went wrong, I can restore my backup and go to the Carbon ROM, go to backup and hit these. If you want to backup the data of yours, you can click on this also. I'm clicking them and selecting the storage as external SD card and swipe to backup. So my device is backing up successfully. Yeah, it's taking much time. It will take time because I have selected the also data. Wait, let it be finished. So as you can see, my device has backed up successfully. Hit the back button. Now go to wipe, hit the advanced wipe and select the Dalvik cache system data. I'm not going to wipe my internal storage and also my external because I'm having files on that. Don't worry, it will work. Now swipe to wipe. Now hit the back button Now go to the install and hit to that storage where you have put the file. All the links are on the description box. Make sure you have checked that. I have put the file on my external SD card. Hit the OK button, and now go to your folder where you have put the file. I have put it on my CM14 folder, and I'm going to add this, and now click on the add more zips and select also this one. Yeah, now swipe this to flash. It's flashing. Don't be so worried about that message which comes from the red dotted, red colored. Don't worry, nothing won't be happen anything abnormal or something else. Installing, it's taking much time to install. So installation has been completed. I'm really too excited about the Android Nougat on Redmi 1S. Now I'm going to reboot my system. This is such a really cool boot animation provided by CyanogenMod. I love this. So the device has turned on, has the setup of CyanogenMod. I'm going to select in English India, hit the next button. So as you can see, I have completed my setup successfully. Wait, let me tell you about the configuration of device. I'm going to about phone, and the Android version of this phone is Android 7.2 Android Nougat. Wait, let me show you the model number, cause yeah, the model number is HM1S. The device is Redmi 1S. I'm not making any type of fake videos. Yeah, has the another good option of CyanogenMod 14. Yeah, it comes an option with settings. Here you can switch to any option using this extra feature added from Android Nougat. Let's talk about this. Yeah, you can minimize and maximize the message from here also, and you can reply also here. Yeah, like I'm replying hi. This one is such a good, you can see all your messages from notification panel. As you can see, I'm seeing it, and here is the switcher. I can switch to auto rotation off. This will work also. And let's talk about the animation. Yeah, this is really cool. Okay, you can swipe over here. Okay, let me tell you about the recent app panel. Yeah, okay. Now as you can see, I'm going to drag the phone to the up to split screen. Whoa, this is such a cool animated UI you will get on Android 7. And you can do dual. And for switching the two apps, you have to press the option key twice. Like I am pressing twice. I'm going to recent. I'm pressing twice to go to phone. I'm pressing twice to go to Play Store. Means switching multitask app. This will work, and everything is working fine till now. There are no bugs. Let me tell you about my music. Yeah, it's working. Sound is proper. Let's talk about the lock screen. How's the lock